Hey YouTube, Steven, a Salon Guy here, and in today's video, I'm going to be breaking down the haircut of Timothée Chalamet. And here it is right here, and I figured it's going to be a popular haircut because this is the newest issue of GQ magazine, so I'm ready to go. Let's get started. Here is Timothée on the cover, and as you can see here, I want to start to break down some of the lengths into here. So I would say the side area of his hair comes down to, I'd say, right about this area. And because he has a little bit of texture going on through here, that's what's making it kind of curl up and wave. This is all layered into here, but I would say as far as the length goes, if this is pulled straight down, it's probably to about right here, and then it'll extend down on an angle going back this way. So a lot of times the hair will travel down on an angle so it goes shorter to longer, and that's how he's getting these little flips in through here. Some people hate having these flips, but because of his natural texture, that is what it's going to do. Now the top here, this piece kind of comes in and around, which means if you pull this all the way straight down, let's go to about right here, it's probably around this area, right in through the bridge of the nose as far as the length, maybe the eyebrow area, and that allows it to kind of swoop around like this and then come back. So if you pull this layer down through here and you pull it straight down, that's how you get this. This is a lot of his natural texture, which is somewhat of a wavier texture. So you can get this by just when you blow dry your hair by scrunching it like this when it's wet, letting it air dry, putting some product in it, something like hair whip or a cream to allow the hair to kind of settle in, and that's how you're gonna get that wave. Here is another great shot of his hair, and as you can see, the part in through this area is brushed back, and so are the sides, but if you were to bring this straight down, again, it would probably be around this area as far as the length goes. And that's the advantage of having wavy hair. If some of you guys complain about your waves, well, this is what could happen if you grew your hair out a little bit. It'll actually weigh it down enough that you can actually work with the natural texture. So if we were to hold this straight up from the head, we're probably talking at least like 7 or 8 inches in length as far as the hair, and again, when you scrunch it up, you can allow it to kind of work into its natural texture and give you some more styling capabilities. So as far as styling products, you could use Tidal Wave, which is my sea salt spray. You could use something like Hair Whip. You could use Haze, something that's kind of light. My Support Cream, which is a blow dry cream, something very, very light that you can kind of mold into the hair, that if you want to let your hair air dry, it'll take its own natural shape. So this works best for people who have thicker hair. If you do have fine hair, that's fine. Just make sure you have a good amount of density and that your hair has a lot of natural kind of texture. This isn't curly hair, but it has like a very slight natural wave. So that's it. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.